Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your work address in Google Maps using the latest 2026 method. If you've started a new job, moved to a different office, or simply want to update your saved workplace, this step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open your web browser on your Windows PC or laptop and go to *Maps, Google, *. Sign in to the Google account where your work address is currently saved. If you're already signed in, you can move on to the next step. Once Google Maps opens, look at the left-hand menu and click on Saved ***. In the Saved section, select Labeled ***. This is where Google Maps stores your home and work locations. Now, find the ***work *** label. If you already have a work address saved, click the **edit *** option next to it. If you haven't added a work location before, simply click **work * to create one. A search box will appear. Type your office address, company name, building name, or complete workplace address. As you type, Google Maps will display matching locations. Carefully choose the correct location from the search results to make sure your work address is accurate. After selecting the location, Google Maps will automatically update your work address. In most cases, you don't need to click a Save button because the changes are saved instantly to your Google account. To confirm the update, type **work into the Google Maps search bar and press Enter. If Google Maps takes you to your new workplace, your work address has been updated successfully. If you change jobs in the future, you can repeat these same steps to edit your work location anytime. You can also remove your current work address from the labeled section and add a new one whenever needed. Keeping your work address up to date helps Google Maps provide faster route suggestions, accurate travel time estimates, traffic updates, and easier navigation during your daily commute. And that's it. That's how to change your work address in Google Maps using the latest 2026 method. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.